In this video, I'm going to teach you how to back up WhatsApp messages to Google Drive. So this one is applicable if you have an Android phone as well as iOS. So make sure you have a Google account on your device, Google Play services, enough space, and the likes. So to set up recurring backups, you can tap onto settings onto your phone and click on chats. Now click on chat backup and click on backup to your Google account. You can select a backup schedule like never or when I tap backup or every day or every week and the likes. After that, you can select the Google account that you would like your backup your chats with. You can also tap the backup using cellular to select the network to use for backups. So on default, if your Google account backup currency is set to daily, your chats will also be saved to your Google account every night after the local backup is made. So you can also manually back it up if you want. If you have iOS, you can head over and then back it up as well using the iCloud option instead of the Google Drive. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.